Hello my friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today once more I am here with one more device to show you and explain you about it. As I had told you that I am going to build my new PC, and I have shown you that on board there is on board M.2 Wi-Fi installation. So I had bought the other parts for this M.2 device. It is from Intel DualBand WLAN device for Wi-Fi 6 and with Bluetooth 5. So now I am showing you. You may see that I had opened the packing, and you are looking from there is a logo from Intel. Inside this transparent plastic M.2 card is there to install on the board. Screw, there was a screw. It is you have seen the screw with sanded screw to fix this card on the motherboard. Now I will take up this plastic little bag to show you this card, how it is looking like. So hopefully this Intel dual band Wi-Fi card will provide me more and better speed and service from Intel from Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So you may see this card. So here is the antenna connections for E and A key, and on the other side where it will connect into the built-in board you must have to carefully push it inside this M.2 to save to protect your card. You may not break it or damage your card. Now you can see clearly the antenna points and those keys, E and A key, connection keys. So upwards there is antenna connections, and downward is the inside connection. So my friends, on the other side you will see more information about this card. So now I will pack it back, and I will explain you when I will install it into the computer on the motherboard, which kind of hurdles and problems, and about my experience, how it is working with the Windows 10. I will show you the other belonging to this device, the antennas. Here is the antennas. I have not got everything in one packing. I have to buy separately everything. Here is the cables and connections, and here is the antenna. I will get it out of this packing and show you. Maybe you may see the connection terminals from this antenna. Okay, you may see the little hole there where goes inside the cable connection, injected in it. Very nice and beautiful new innovation, new update in this with the PCs. So you will be connected. And here is the little connection which will connect on the board with the card. So now hopefully you have seen everything and understand how many parts do you need if you want to upgrade also your PC on board devices. There is some nut and bolts and other screw types. So I will explain you after when I will install all of everything on my PC about my experience, which kind of hurdles I got. Everything was very nice and beautiful. Hopefully you like this information. Please give me like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye till now.